Hi everyone. So many people are facing problem with YouTube that their stream is getting disconnected or is it lagging and things like that, which is happening with YouTube nowadays. So I think the problem with the stream is about the stream key. YouTube is not refreshing if you reuse the stream key. uh, YouTube is not refreshing that, and that is one of the problems. Uh, well, what you need to do is go to YouTube, go to create, go live. For example, when I click on schedule stream, okay, so it says like I have so many streams which I've done in the past. So what's need to be done actually is, for example, I want to make this stream my stream and I want to stream it right just now. So I will just reuse the settings and click on next, and schedule it. Okay. So it will open a window like this. What you need to do is you need to refresh, reset the stream key. Click this button, it will reset the stream key. Now that's your stream key is when you click this, when you click this button, learn how to use encoders. Your stream key is here. So this is your refresh new stream key. You click on copy. Now what you do is you go to your OBS studio, and first thing you want to do, like in the past what we used to do is in the settings, in the stream, uh, we used to use this option. Uh, YouTube RNTAPS, and we used to connect the account and do the streaming like every time you connect to the YouTube, then you manage the broadcast and all that procedure which is there. What you need to do is log out from YouTube from your OBS. Go to custom settings and put this uh, put this URL here and put your stream key here. So this is your stream key, this is your username. Click on apply and click on OK, and then you click on start streaming. Okay. I stream on both platforms, so this is something which I'll talk about in the next video. Uh, uh, how to multi-stream on YouTube and Twitch together or any other platform. Uh, that can be done, and you don't have to use Restream or Streamlabs and pay money for it. It is absolutely free tool which you can use on OBS to stream on multiple channels. If I click on start streaming, it will connect, and your stream will work flawlessly. It won't disconnect or anything. Um, that's about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.